What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we're gonna take a look at another 2025 Matchbox 5-pack. This is the Matchbox City Drivers 5 set. I bought a bunch of these 5-packs for €5 each, which is a really good price, considering that the regular selling point in my area is around 10 to 12 euros. So this is pretty good. I bought this set especially for this casting here. And in a second, I'll tell you why. So let's start the unboxing. I already cut this package open. So let's start from the top with a pretty old casting, which is the Matchbox City Bus. I think this is from around 2004. I only do have one other version, which is, I think, from another 5-pack. Yeah, I really like these because they put some cool deco on this. This deco is also cool. This one comes in Matchbox City Services, so this is a deco you can see more often. Here's another example, and yeah, I do like to collect these decos that you see more regularly, and this is a pretty nice one. So yeah, there we have the Matchbox City Bus. Into the parking lot it goes. As we take a look at the next model, police car, the Chevy Caprice Classic Police. I also do have some other versions of this guy. I think 1 or 2 years ago, we saw this guy here, Metro Police. This was kind of a 70 years anniversary deco. I put the original one, or the one from the 5-pack, into the parking lot. You've seen it in this Sky Busters security deco, and yeah, of course, like the classical NYPD deco. So yeah, I think this one's pretty cool. So let's put this to the side, and we get to the casting that I really like. It's this one. It's the Renault Kangoo Express. Pretty unspectacular. It has no interior, but this one comes in a lot of really cool decos, and that is why I like collecting this one. As you can see, this thing only comes with side tempos, so we get nothing on the front, nothing on the back. But if you display these from the side, they do look pretty cool, and I especially like this pink one, which is saying Skate Jams Sales Rentals. So this shop obviously sells and rents roller skates. Pretty cool. Does it say locally and family run? Whatever. Pretty cool. Yeah, I got a lot of other versions from this casting. We've seen it in, put this one in the parking lot. Really nice addition. We've seen it in Shell Deco, Goodyear, then this thing here, kind of a French, not police, post deco. We've had this one here, kind of a beach party shop or something like that. The crispy cleaners was pretty cool. I'm not really sure if this was a single pack or a 5-pack. Don't know. Yeah, then you've already seen before. This one also came in this City Services deco. Really like this one. Then we had this guy here, Locksmith, pretty cool. And yeah, I think that's it. But yeah, really like these. So we still got 2 more castings in this 5-pack. Here we do have the Ford panel van, which is even older than the City Bus. I think this one is from 1999. got retooled in 2016. Toxic Tank Cleanup Services. I think I don't have any other version of this guy, but the deco is pretty cool. Seems like this one doesn't have an interior also. So into the parking lot it goes. Only side tempos, and the last one is the Matchbox armored truck. So as you can see, this one comes with a plastic body, the metal base in blue. This one is from 2018. There's only one other version, which is this guy that I do own, which is I'm pretty sure is from another 5-pack that I can't remember. And when I went through my models, I found this one, but it's definitely not the same. I thought this one was also the armored truck, but this blue one here is the International Armored Car. So yeah, don't mix that up. And yeah, that's it for this 5-pack. We forgot this guy here in the parking lot. You know, oops, that one crashed. Normally I do pick a favorite from my unboxings, and yeah, guess what? It's definitely this one. I like this pink Renault Kangoo Express edition to my collection. Really nice. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.